Is there such a thing as common law marriage? Hi, I'm Simon Lippenaar and I'm a family attorney. Many couples choose to live together in permanent life partnerships without the benefit of legal marriage. The situation is often called common law marriage, but legally there is no such thing. There is no law of cohabitation in South Africa. Living together for a certain amount of time does not confer any legal status, marital or otherwise. There are only two ways a cohabitive life partnership can be formalized: with a cohabitation agreement or a universal partnership agreement. Cohabitation refers to a stable, monogamous relationship in which the couple, either heterosexual or same-sex, chooses to live together as spouses without marrying. Three components are generally agreed to constitute cohabitation: a sexual relationship between a couple, a factual cohabitive relationship, i.e. they live in the same home, and stability of the relationship. To formalize their arrangement, the couple may enter into a cohabitation agreement setting out their rights and responsibilities. This is a relatively simple contract that includes details of the couple's assets, property, and the financial contributions each partner makes to the joint home. It is valid when ratified by an appointed lawyer. Many couples neglect this formality, but they do so at their peril. Cohabiting couples undertake many of the same financial commitments as married couples, such as home purchase, life insurance, etc. If, for example, the bond on their home is in both names, they will each have title to the property if they decide to go their separate ways. But if the bond is in one name and the other contributes to household costs, it can be harder to prove ownership rights. A cohabitation agreement ensures asset distribution is fair and reflects each partner's contribution to the union. Having a cohabitation agreement in place helps reduce conflict when it comes to deciding how to share or divide assets and responsibilities. The other option is a universal partnership agreement. A universal partnership agreement gives each cohabiting partner a right to a share in the property acquired during the relationship. It does not need to be formalized by a written or even an oral agreement. The courts have recognized tacit agreements as universal partnerships. If these requirements are met, both parties must contribute to the partnership. The partnership must make a profit. It must operate for the benefit of both parties, and the contract between the parties must be legitimate. Legally, it resembles a married incumbency of property. If such a relationship can be proven, each party can lay claim to the assets of the partnership in line with the agreement. However, universal partnership is difficult to prove. It is advisable to have a written universal partnership agreement in place. In that case, the couple might well as draw up a proper cohabitation agreement. If the aim is to safeguard each partner's rights and responsibilities in their relationship, a cohabitation agreement is the more secure option. And what happens when neither of these agreements is in place? Not only could one person be left high and dry when it comes to the shared home, as I've mentioned, most couples earn two incomes these days, but there may be a disparity in earning potential between the partners. Over the course of the relationship, the lower earner is likely to become accustomed to a certain standard of living that they might not be able to afford on their own. Once the partnership ends, they may find a significant drop in their living standard. As it stands, common law recognizes a reciprocal duty of support between spouses during a marriage. Currently, parties in life partnerships do not enjoy the benefits of this duty of support. The Western Cape High Court has been tasked to make a decision regarding the obligations of support between couples in permanent life partnerships. A case has come before the court concerning a woman whose unmarried relationship with her life partner and the father of her 3 children has ended. She's seeking maintenance from him, which the law does not currently mandate. She's asking the court to declare that common law recognizes a duty of support between partners in unmarried opposite-sex partnerships where the relationship has broken down. Now, if the decision goes in her favor, it will pave the way for a life partner to make a personal maintenance claim against their higher-earning partner. I'll keep you up to date on developments in this case. Meanwhile, if you are in a life partnership and would like to draw up a cohabitation agreement, give me a call on the number in the signature below.